Herbal Medicine Cabinet, Essential Remedies for Common Ailments. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets of our Herbal Medicine Cabinet, Essential Remedies for Common Ailments. Join us as we delve into the ancient wisdom of herbal medicine, exploring potent remedies to conquer everyday health challenges. But before we embark on this herbal journey, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to join our magical community. Number 1. Pain Relievers. Discover the wonders of natural remedies to ease pain and inflammation. White willow bark, a powerful compound akin to aspirin, works wonders by fighting pain, blocking inflammation, and reducing fever. Capsaicin, the heat behind chili peppers, brings relief to arthritis when gently rubbed onto joints as a cream, and it may even help with persistent aches when ingested. Embrace the goodness of omega-3s found in nuts, seeds, and avocado, not only promoting a healthy heart, but also preventing inflammation and keeping joints well lubricated, while supporting the optimal functioning of your brain and nervous system. Don't forget about the remarkable MSM, a naturally occurring sulfur compound that brings its pain-killing, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and analgesic properties to alleviate discomfort. Number 2. Digestive aids. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort with these natural remedies. First up, papaya, a delicious fruit bursting with enzymes that aid in breaking down proteins and easing indigestion. Whether you enjoy it as a juicy fruit, refreshing juice, or convenient chewable tablet, papaya will be your tummy's best friend. Pineapple comes to the rescue as well, as it also contains protein-busting enzymes. Relish in fresh pineapple after a meal, and it will work its magic to prevent heartburn, acid reflux, and other pesky digestive problems. But that's not all. Reach for baking soda, which packs the same ingredients found in many antacids. Just add 1/2 teaspoon to 1/2 glass of water, for full, Oz, to find relief. Remember, though, not to overdo it, as excessive baking soda intake may lead to a laxative effect. Finally, embrace the benefits of apple cider vinegar, a gentle acid that helps soothe the burning sensation without hindering digestion. Number 3. Cough syrup. Harness the natural wonders of these remedies to conquer coughs and ease respiratory discomfort. First, bromelain, a powerful enzyme found in pineapple, serves as a fantastic cough suppressant while also helping to loosen stubborn throat mucus. Elderberry syrup, crafted from elderberries rich in flavonoids, combats inflammation, reduces swelling, and bolsters the immune system. Its ability to relax bronchial spasms makes it a valuable ally in treating upper respiratory infections and coughs. For a soothing and sweet cough remedy, turn to honey, which pairs beautifully with lemon or herbal tea. You can even enhance its effectiveness by adding other ingredients like mullein, cayenne, rosemary, wild cherry bark, and garlic, offering additional expectorant, mucus thinning, and immune-boosting benefits. Embrace the power of these natural ingredients for a comforting and effective approach to respiratory health. Number 4. Natural Vapor Rub. Discover the aromatic wonders of essential oils to invigorate your airways and promote swift recovery. Combine a few drops of peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, thyme, and/or rosemary with gentle olive oil or soothing coconut oil. Then, gently massage this fragrant blend onto your chest and throat, experiencing the bliss of cleared sinuses and open airways. Not only will these oils provide relief, but they also work harmoniously to aid your body in swiftly eliminating infections, restoring your vitality with their natural healing properties. Embrace the power of these delightful essential oils for a rejuvenating and revitalizing experience. Number 5. Antibacterial ointment. Harness the power of nature's germ-fighting wonders to protect yourself from infections. Ionic silver, renowned for its antimicrobial properties, can be applied topically as either ionic or colloidal silver, providing a shield against potential infections. Don't underestimate the humble garlic, not just a spice, but a potent antibiotic and antimicrobial agent too. Create a soothing paste by mashing garlic and mixing it with clean water. Then gently apply it with sterile gauze to promote resistance to infection and aid the healing process. Another fantastic ally is coconut oil, boasting antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral abilities. Say goodbye to pesky fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and candida with the help of coconut oil, and enhance its effectiveness by adding a few drops of tea tree oil. Embrace these natural remedies to bolster your body's defense against infections and stay healthy with the gifts of nature. Number 6. Muscle Rub. Embrace the natural remedies that Mother Nature offers to soothe your body and promote healing. Meet arnica, a beautiful flower akin to the sunflower, found in oils and creams that work wonders in accelerating recovery from sprains, strains, and bruises. Its gentle touch will aid your body's healing process and have you feeling better in no time. Culinary brings its fiery essence to the mix, containing capsaicin, which offers both warmth and pain relief. A word of caution: use it in moderation to avoid overwhelming sensations. To heighten the relief, delve into the world of essential oils, where you can blend a concoction of warming and cooling oils, including the splendid arnica. Whether you use them directly or mix them with creams and oils, essential oils like lemon, ginger, peppermint, clove, or wintergreen provide the perfect touch for sore muscles, offering soothing relief and comfort. Embrace these delightful natural solutions for a comforting and rejuvenating experience for your body and soul. Number 7. Cold Medicine. Discover the herbal wonders of echinacea, a natural remedy renowned for its ability to speed up recovery from illnesses. Often relied upon to prevent and alleviate the common cold, echinacea works like magic, helping your body bounce back faster and providing you with comforting relief during those sniffly days. And there's more. Meet golden seal, a powerful herb with a host of benefits. Acting as an expectorant, it eases mucous membranes and boasts potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. Whether you're battling sinus infections or chest congestion, golden seal comes to the rescue, offering soothing relief and helping you breathe easy once again. Embrace the potency of these herbal gems and let nature's gifts work their wonders in supporting your well-being. Number 8. Allergy and antihistamines. Discover the natural wonders of allergy relief with two incredible allies. Stinging nettle, with its remarkable leaves, effectively blocks histamine and enzyme release, putting an end to bothersome runny noses and itchy eyes. Embrace the soothing power of stinging nettle to find comfort during allergy season and enjoy life without the constant discomfort. But that's not all. Meet horseradish, a powerful aid in increasing blood circulation and widening sinus cavities. Embrace the relief it brings as it alleviates a wide range of allergy symptoms, letting you breathe freely and enjoy every moment without the burden of allergies. Embrace the magic of these natural remedies to bid farewell to those pesky allergies and welcome in a world of comfort and well-being. Number 9. Toothpaste. Unleash the natural power of essential oils for a refreshing dental experience. Enhance your oral care routine by adding a couple of drops of invigorating peppermint, spicy clove, or warming cinnamon to a salt and baking soda mixture. This delightful concoction not only freshens your breath, but also promotes dental health, making your teeth and gums feel rejuvenated and clean. This incredible oil not only loosens plaque, but also possesses potent antibacterial properties, effectively fighting harmful bacteria in your mouth. Try oil pulling by swishing coconut oil through your teeth and around your mouth, or craft a homemade toothpaste by combining coconut oil and baking soda, adding a few drops of refreshing peppermint oil for that perfect finishing touch. Embrace these natural dental remedies for a radiant smile and a truly refreshing oral care experience. Number 10. Sleep aid. Discover the secrets to a restful night's sleep with these simple and effective tips. Exercise not only boosts your physical strength and endurance, but also works wonders in promoting better sleep. By releasing endorphins and reducing stress, exercise paves the way for more restful nights, leaving you feeling truly rejuvenated. Don't shy away from the sun's warm embrace. While concerns about cancer abound, sunlight plays a crucial role in producing vitamin D and regulating our circadian rhythms, which are vital for a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Spend around 20 minutes soaking in the sunlight each day and consider opening your blinds a bit more while you work or move around the house to embrace the sun's natural benefits. If you found this exploration of herbal medicine cabinet enlightening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our wellness community. Share your favorite herbal remedies or any personal experiences with herbal medicine in the comments below.